Hello everyone. Today I would like to review about my favorite movie. The title is How to Make Millions Before Grandma Dies. It is a Thai comedy drama released in 2024 and directed by Pat Boonmitipat. I chose this movie not because it is dramatic or exciting in a loud way, but because it feels very close to real life. It is the kind of film that does not shout to get your attention. Instead, it quietly sits with you, and before you realize it, stays in your mind. At the first glance, the story feels simple. It is about a young man called as M and his grandmother, surrounded by family issues, money, and their responsibility. There are no big plot twists or shocking scenes, but that is exactly what makes this movie feel special for me. It focuses on small moments, short conversation, awkward silence, everyday routine, and things we usually ignore in real life, but somehow feel very important when we see them on screen. When I watched this movie, it felt like I was watching a real family, not actors. The emotions are not explained clearly. They are hidden behind actions and habits. Sometimes people care, but they do not say it. Sometimes they argue, but it is not because they hate each other. This emotional atmosphere feels quite heavy and very familiar. It reminds us that family love is often complicated. It is not perfect at all. What I really appreciate about this film is how it allows emotion to exist naturally. It doesn't tell the audience to when to cry, when to feel sad. Instead, it just gives us space to think and feel on our own. The tension is subtle, but it stays with you. After watching it, you may find yourself thinking about your own family, your grandparents, your grandma, or the time you spend with them. Visually, the movie is very simple. I really like it. It feels warm, but the setting feels ordinary, like places we have seen or lived in before. The camera often stays close to the character, showing their small gestures and facial expression. Because of this, the film feels intimate with us as an audience, as if we invited into private moment. There is no dramatic lighting or flashy scene. Everything looks calm, natural, and warm, which supports the emotional tone of the story. The music appears quietly and only when needed. Sometimes there is no music at all. The silence is very powerful. It makes the moment feel real and honest. This movie made me reflect on how we treat our family members, especially the older ones, and how often we take time for granted. I also love this movie because it respects the audience. It trusts us to understand the emotions without explaining everything. I highly recommend this movie to anyone who enjoys calm and warm film that make you reflect rather than react. So yeah, that's all for me. Thank you for listening and watching. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.